Okay, Carnation class. Now we're going to do page 27 in your class book for RiseWise. Are you ready? Well, here we need to answer some questions about our story, Amazing Animals. Do you remember the story? If you don't, you can go back and read it one more time, or you can watch the video where we read it together. Well, if you're ready, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, number 1 says, how does polar bears fur help them? How does polar bears fur help them? Did you find the answer? Let's see. A says, it helps polar bears stay warm. B says, it helps polar bears swim in the water. And C says, it helps polar bears use fat for food. Which way does a polar bear's fur help? Well, the fur is nice and thick, so it helps it. That's right, it helps it stay warm. Good, so the answer is A. Now, let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, which animal has a shell? That's easy. You know which one, don't you? It's the giraffe. No, it's the turtle. The turtle has the shell. But can you spell the names of each of these animals? Let's start with giraffe. How do we spell giraffe? J. We know j is J sound, but in giraffe, it uses a G. And it says j-er. Ha, I, R. Jur, a, giraffe. So now you need an F and one more F. Giraffe, and the letter E at the end makes giraffe. How about B? B is turtle. How do we make turtle? Aha, it's the U-R, turt, turtle. It's an L-E. Great. Now here's camel. Camel, am, cam, ul, E-L, camel. Good job. All right, number 3. A camel has a hump or flukes on its back. A camel has a hump on its back. A camel has flukes on its back. Well, if we look at this camel, does it have flukes on its back? Nope, it has a hump. But do you remember what flukes are? Well, what animal had flukes? It was the dolphin. The dolphin had flukes, and they were on its tail. And at the end of its tail, it had 2 things that looked like this. Those were its flukes. Did you ever find out what other animal has flukes? Well, I think we saw a video about it, so when you see me, you can tell me what other animal has flukes. Okay, number 4. An elephant's nose is called a quill, a fluke, or a trunk. Let's see. Is this one hard? No, it's super easy, because an elephant's nose is called a trunk. Great job. Do you remember what a quill is? What animal has quills? That's right, it was the porcupine, and the quills are its sharp, pointy hairs that will poke you. Ouch. Okay, number 5. It says, circle true or false. We want to know if this sentence is true or not. Ducks cannot walk on land. Ducks cannot walk on land. Is that true or false? Did you ever see a duck walk on the land? Yeah, and baby ducks would follow the mommy duck. So Is this true that they can't walk on it? No, it's false. False. All right, we're all done. So when we come back, we're going to do our next page and we're going to do some writing. So get ready. Let's go. See you later.